Thanks for tuning into my channel, Make Something. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make your very own Bluetooth audio speaker using basic tools and affordable speaker parts. The end product will be comparable to any high-end Bluetooth audiophile quality speaker for a fraction of the cost. I began with a speaker kit from Parts Express that retailed for $125. It comes with all the pieces you see here, including 2 mid-range woofers, 2 neodymium tweeters, the crossovers, a 2x50 watt Bluetooth amplifier board, and all the wiring and harnesses you need to complete your project. The kit also comes with pre-cut MDF pieces to assemble a decent speaker box. However, for my project, I was interested in something more custom. I hope you enjoy watching my video. See you at the end. This is the rear part of the unit. Notice that there's an inset there, and that's for the front and rear baffles to sit on, where the speakers will be mounted. These are the remaining pieces of MDF, which will be glued together and sanded to a uniform shape. And this is the front baffle, and holes will be drilled in here and here. Box is all sanded, smooth and uniform, and now I'm going to prime it and seal the outer surface before the leather goes on. But before that, I'm going to router these edges so they're nice and round, which will allow the leather to fold over a little more smoothly. Just finished the routering, and the edges are rounded and fairly consistent. A couple of thinner spots overall, but that's because the jigsaw cutting wasn't exactly precise. If you had a CNC router, you could have cut these templates a lot better, but with limited equipment, this was the best that I could do. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to get ready to prime it and seal it, and then move on to the next step of assembly. Okay, so far gotten the box ready. Getting ready to put the contact cement on and apply the leather surfacing. Prior to that, what I did is I cut my leather to size, and I drew lines to indicate where the box edge would go to make it easier to wrap the box, so I wouldn't make it crooked or anything. With the box, I've painted edges are brown here because when the leather goes on, there may be a gap, and I thought it would be better if the color that would be seen closer to the leather than white, which is what the box was after I primed it. Also on the inside of the box, I've already installed the foam layer, which will serve as an acoustic dampening layer for the speakers once they're installed and running. And these center separation boards will house the electronics for the actual speaker. That's what you're looking at here. Second coat of contact cement on now. You put it on both sides and it basically sticks to itself while it's adhering and bonding to the material it's on. Okay, we're getting close to final assembly here. I just tested everything, and then I had to unhook everything and install one last wire. But now I'm just going to finish assembling the board and start soldering the crossovers together, and we'll install the speakers once we're done that. Well, this is it. Speaker is all finished. I'm very happy with how well leather adhered to the box. I think it gives the speaker a high-end appearance. Sound quality is amazing. Basses are so deep, the crystal clear highs. Overall, I'm blown away. Here on Make Something, I try to take on projects that are going to be challenging and rewarding. It's been my experience that something special happens when you step outside your comfort zone to make something unique. I'm so happy with this, I think I'll make one for my kids. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to make sure you catch my next video.
I think I'll make a leather case for my MacBook with the leftover leather from this speaker. Anyways, see you next time.